Good day. Today I am going to show you the video installation of Linux Ubuntu. First, let's visit the Ubuntu download page. Let's download the Ubuntu for desktop. While we are downloading, we may open now the VMware workstation. As you can see, I have already downloaded the Ubuntu ISO earlier, so let's just proceed. Create the new virtual machine, typical. Next, and let's choose the Linux and Ubuntu. Next, choose the location folder. Next, now the recommended size is 20 GB, so let's list someone. Now we will also edit the hardware settings. Let's put the ISO file. Then check the other options, then click OK. Now we can launch our VMware machine. Let's install the Ubuntu. Then let's wait. Now we have to set up the language. Let's choose the English and click the install Ubuntu. Now click the English, then next. So let's choose the minimal installation so the other apps will not be installed. Then click continue. Now let's erase the disk. Let's format it and install now. Now, let's choose the region, which is Manila. And now, let's set up our account. Your name, nickname, and the password. Let's restart now because we have already finished the installation. As you can see, the Ubuntu is successfully installed